Okay, we're in the Caribbean Princess. We're in room BAHA 514. It actually is a connecting room with B510, which is next door to us. So here you find the connecting door, closet space. You have lots of drawer space here. You have the washroom to the left, which I'll go through in a second. Queen size bed, more drawers here, night table on either side, TV. You have a refrigerator here. You have a nice size balcony. This balcony actually has a covering, and then you can see right down on the other layers below. We are in the middle, sort of back. There's the front of the ship you can see. So we're on the port side. We're in Port Everglades here. We're gonna see very quickly what the bathroom looks like. So it's a very tiny shower. You do have soap and shampoo, and you get your own toiletries, and there is a hairdryer over in the other part of the room.